In a major political development, former lawmaker Zaldy Coe's passport has been canceled, announced President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. This comes amid growing scrutiny over alleged irregularities in the Department of Public Works and Highways, raising questions about accountability and legal enforcement.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito ay isa pang report na aking ibibigay tungkol sa mga investigasyon at kaso sa mga questionable flood control project na ating nakita. May babalita ko po sa inyo na ang passport po ni Zaldico ay kanselado na. Kaya in-instructionan ko na ang Department of Foreign Affairs, pati ang PNP, na makipag-ugnayan sa ating mga embassy sa iba't ibang bansa para tiyakin na hindi maaring magtago itong ating hinahabol na magtago doon sa kanilang bansa. At kung sakali man ay siya'y pupunta ron, ay i-report sa atin para naman ay maibalik natin siya dito sa Pilipinas. Kaugnay naman kay Sara Diskaya, sumuko naman siya kahapon sa NBI at nasa kustodya na siya ng NBI. Inaantay ang formal ng paglabas ng kanyang warrant of arrest. Kaya't nakikita po natin, maganda naman ng takbo ng proseso at yung ating mga hinihilaang na kasama dito sa ganitong klaseng sindikato ay haharap sa hustisya. Asahan po ninyo na patuloy pa rin ang ating investigasyon, patuloy pa rin ang ating pagpila ng mga kaso upang tiyakin na ang mga guilty dito sa ganitong klaseng iskandalo ay haharap sa batas at bukod dyan ay maibalik ang ninakaw na pera sa taong bayan. Maraming salamat po. Magandang araw.
Zaldy Coe resigned from his post following allegations of involvement in questionable flood control projects and purported budget insertions. While under investigation, he reportedly left the country citing medical reasons abroad. His departure sparked concerns over potential flight risk and compliance with legal proceedings. On December 10, 2025, President Marcos confirmed that Coe's passport has been officially revoked. The move follows weeks of calls from authorities, including the Department of Foreign Affairs, emphasizing that legal measures were required to formalize such action. With the passport canceled, Coe's ability to travel internationally is now restricted, pending further legal processes. This development is significant because Zaldy Coe is central to allegations involving major irregularities with DPWH projects. The cancellation signals that the government is taking steps to ensure accountability and prevent officials from evading investigation. It also underscores the administration's focus on transparency and legal enforcement in high-profile corruption cases. With the passport revoked, legal proceedings against Coe can move more decisively. Arrest warrants have already been issued against him and other involved individuals. Authorities may now enforce detention or extradition if necessary. For DPWH officials, this heightens scrutiny and sends a clear warning: oversight and accountability are being enforced. Zaldy Coe's passport cancellation marks a critical moment in the ongoing investigation of alleged corruption and budget irregularities. The coming days could bring further legal actions and political repercussions. Stay updated as this story unfolds and the government continues its crackdown on misconduct.